Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking this one dish meal known as braised minced meat with Chinese mushroom and long beans. So let's start cooking. Heat up a pan, put in a suitable amount of oil. We are going to fry a lot of shallots, so we need a little bit more oil. Turn the heat down to low. We don't want to burn the shallots. 10 pieces of shallots, sliced thinly like this. Stir fry them over low heat because we don't want to burn it. When the color turns to a little bit translucent, we will add in our dried chili. 4 pieces of dried chili, rehydrated and chopped into small pieces like this. If you do not want your dish to be spicy, then you can actually omit this out, no problem. Stir fry them for a little while, just to get all the fragrance out. We are still using low heat over here. It's going to be so good. Wow, smells fantastic. I love the smell of shallots in my kitchen. Really, really nice. Now, as you can see, the oil is turning a little bit reddish. Now we add in our mushroom. I have with me over here 60 grams of dried mushroom, which I have rehydrated and cut into small pieces like this. Put it in. Now we can turn up our heat up to medium heat. The idea of this dish is like 卤肉饭 or Taiwanese braised pork rice, but with a twist. Just fry them for a little while just to get all the flavor mixed in. It's a very easy dish to cook and extremely delicious. And any leftover, you can actually freeze it and then reheat it and then just top them up onto the rice and it will be another meal to go. Really, really nice. After mixing them up together like this, we'll turn the heat up to medium-high. We'll add in our minced meat now. I have with me over here 250 grams of minced meat. Put them in. Remember to keep stirring. We don't want to burn any of it. The reason I turn the heat up to medium-high is I want to quickly dry up the ingredients. So when the pork is almost done, we'll add in our long beans. These 150 grams of long beans. I'll cut them into small pieces like this. Just pour them in. Mix them up well. Look at how beautiful this is. Now I'll be adding in 15 grams of dried scallops, which I've soaked in 1 cup of water, and I've used a fork to actually press it and shred it like this. So I'm just pouring everything in. You can just soak it in room temperature water. You don't need to use hot water for this. I'll be also adding in 1 cup of water that I used to soak the dried mushroom in. Now we add in the seasoning. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And a few dashes of cracked white pepper. Stir them all in. We'll cover this up and let them simmer for 10 minutes. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, looks beautiful. We will now add in 1 teaspoon of sugar to balance up the taste, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up well. And let's just give this a taste. Really, really good. Now we will just thicken this up to the consistency that we like using cornstarch solution. Just pouring bit by bit, and while pouring, stir them up. Just a little bit more. Okay, this will be good. This dish will be fantastic with steamed rice. To finish this off, pour in 1 tablespoon of Shaoxingjiu or Chinese cooking wine. Just drench it by the side. And 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix it up well. And it's time to serve this dish. Now all we have to do is to pour this beautiful dish over rice. This would be so good. To top it off, we'll add an egg over it. Time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Some rice. Very flavorful. Very nice mushroom taste. A little bit of spiciness from the dried chili. Very, very good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.